Wow, so Dogecoin has finally joined the list of trending cryptocurrency that has finally gained the spotlight of probably the internet. And presently, people are making millions, literally millions out of Dogecoin. So how do they do it? They actually buy Dogecoin at a very cheap price when it was 0.0000 and sell it when it rises to a significant amount like $0.71. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy Dogecoin for as low as 10 USD or $10 on Binance. So whatever it may be, in my local currency, $10 is about 5,000 naira, 4,800 within that range. So it may be just you have to just do your conversion of $10 to whatever local currency you have. And let's get into this video right now. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. Now, you know that Dogecoin now presently is like hot cake. Everybody's wanting to buy it because it has gained value significantly due to many reasons like awareness and I think Elon Musk who sometimes tweets about it on Twitter. So before then, let's head over to wallet. Now we're going to go under P2P. They call it pay to pay. Now we're going to go to P2P trading. Yeah. Now usually it always shows some kind of a pop-up notification that scammers are here, which is true. So you have to be very careful when you are using this. Like I'm using the Express instead of this P2P. More options, more offers. I've heard the Express goes faster for me. I don't have time for negotiations and other things. So now it's asking me the amounts of cryptocurrency I want to buy. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Let me see. Now if you check here, you see that there's nothing like Dogecoin. It ends at DAI stablecoin. We have Ethereum, Binance, and so now. But before then, let me show you something. Let's go to under exchange or so to see if we can exchange USDT GT to. Yes, so this is what I'm looking for. So let's try Dogecoin. Just wow, it is pretty compatible with a lot of coin. So let's go with I think let's go with USDT. Nice, like so we're going over to wallet again, then P2P trading. Now, so I'm going to type in the amounts. I'm going to buy 3,000 worth of Dogecoin. Sorry, USDT to start with. Buy with zero fee. Yes. So bank transfer. Wow, but their exchange rate is quite high, 547 naira. So I will see 5 USDT. Let's see. I'm coming first. Let me check Bitcoin if I will see the value first. I want to know which of them give me more value for what I'm buying. So I will receive 0.000, which is quite very small. Come on, let's try Binance USD. Let's see. Okay, you can see Binance USD is about 490, which looks better than the 5 something we saw just now. Okay. As you see, I gain more value here. So let's go ahead with this one first. Oh, before then, let me check something else. BNB. Okay, so in the end, let me go with this one. This is one I prefer. So then 490 is not bad. Go ahead. So bank transfer, yes. and buy USD this amount. The price 506 naira. It's almost the same thing with former one. Okay, time remaining, payment method. Yes, so this is what I'm going to. Now as you can see, I'm timed about 15 minutes, which is very less than the following seller. Please make sure my account machine verified money. So as you can see, this is their kind of let me say notification or warning on how to go about it. So this is the account number. I'm transferring everything to transfer from accounts. Now make sure the account you are transferring money from is your own account, not somebody's own. Now name this person's name, this account number, and bank name, Kuda Microfinance. So luckily for me, I'm using Kuda Bank. Now if you're not using Kuda Bank, you're missing out seriously, because their transfer fees are cheap. And they will give me free transfer for a month or month plus. Like I'll show you mine now. Now you can see mine. I have about 26 initially, but I've used about 10 from it, so it's left with 16 for this month. Now I don't mind my face. I just decided to. I already snapped that passport on it. So before let me confirm something. Yeah, 3,000 naira is what I'm transferring. Yes, and for this, they don't have kind of a reference ID or so that you can notify you. I'm kind of to track your deposit, unlike Remitano that has a kind of reference ID. So payments, we'll go to send money, then amounts 3. Then what do we go next? We'll choose the bank. The bank will suggest our score. So let me check one last thing again. If there's another reference, because that is very, very important. Bank name, bank account, no attention, not enter crypto-related terms in your payment. Now this is what you need to take note. Now if you're in Nigeria, don't enter any crypto-related terms in your reference ID. I understand, like BTC in your payment. Because if you put it means you are telling the bank what's the purpose of using the money for. And after I'll make the transfer, I'm going to click transferred and next. So there's nothing much to do again. Let's just press next. So if you want to really save money with your bank, please use Kuda Bank. You're going to really enjoy it a lot. Now if you take note, this is name. So Sopa, Daniel, Babilola, the applies name. So tap to confirm. So I've sent it, then I have to go and click on yes, transfer next. Confirm successful payment. Please know that you have confirmed transfer to seller. If you click on mark as paid without making payment, you need to transfer the money to the payment account. Not on payments. Your account will continue suspended. Platform is right to claim it. So make sure you transfer the money first before clicking on confirm, because if you click on confirm, it's like being dubious. So well, expect to receive payment in 30 minutes after the seller confirms the receipt of the fund system. Okay, automatically transfer the crypto to your account. Alright, so as you can see now, we're going to receive the money in about 13 minutes, close to 14 minutes. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. So what next to do is I can go back. Alright, so this is what the info is about from here. So the position, yeah, so it has come in now. In fact, I'm super happy. Now this is my first time trying it. The bill come down and your mark also has been paid. Please wait for your to confirm. Yes, I receive it. So now, do you know the next thing? We need to hurriedly go now. This is sweet, very very sweet. Now, so alright, before you can buy Dogecoin, I think you have to have a minimum of 10 USD or 10 USD of whatever cryptocurrency you are exchanging with it. But for this video, I'm using BUSD as I said, and I'm going to use that market price because limit and allowance takes time. I want to be instant, so click on maximum. Now, as you can see, a different one. Limit is you specify the price you want to buy it, and when it falls or rise to that specific price, it automatically sell for you. So these are the two from here. This top limit, I'm not too familiar with it, but anyway, you don't need it much. So market price, buy Doge, yes. So successful, and let me check my wallet first. So as you can see now, that wallet you are seeing Doge, which is it. So that is how you buy Doge in Nigeria. Now you can. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends.